Hello everyone, welcome to the Sabi Professor. In this video, I'll be showing you how to unswipe on Bumble. First, open your Bumble application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be directed to the screen where you can choose your possible match apps. Here, you can swipe to the left if you are not interested with this person or swipe to the right if you are interested. For example, you accidentally swipe left a user and you want to unswipe to go back and see their profile again. To do that, you just need to tap on this return icon at the top left to backtrack to the previous profile. But to use the backtrack feature, you need to be subscribed to Bumble Premium or Bumble Boost. You can subscribe for a week, a month, 3 months, or 6 months depending on your preference. Once you are subscribed, you can now use the backtrack feature and unswipe the profile that you accidentally swiped to the left or right. So that's it. That's how you can unswipe on Bumble. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.